Hello. Welcome back to English Podcast Boost.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lily.
And I'm John.
We are so happy to see you again. If you like today's lesson, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps us. Thank you. So, John, how are you today?
I'm very good, thank you. A bit busy this morning, but happy. How about you, Lily?
I'm great. The weather is nice, so I walked to the studio and I feel full of energy. What did you do this weekend?
On Saturday, I played football with friends. We lost, but it was fun. On Sunday, I just stayed home and cooked pasta for my family. And you?
I went to the cinema with my sister on Saturday night. We watched a funny movie and laughed a lot. Sunday, I cleaned my apartment. Not very exciting, but now everything is tidy.
Cleaning is good for the soul.
You know, when I was on the bus coming here today, I heard two students talking. One asked the other, "What do you do?" And the poor boy looked so nervous. He didn't know how to answer in English.
Oh, that's so common. Many of our viewers write to us and say, "When someone asks about my job, I freeze. I don't know what to say."
Exactly. So today, we promise, after this video, you will never freeze again. We are going to practice how to talk about your job in English in a simple, natural way.
You will sound confident and friendly. Let's start.
John, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small company in the city center.
That sounds interesting. What exactly do you do every day?
I make pictures, logos, and websites look beautiful. I choose colors, fonts, and photos.
Do you sit at a computer all day?
Yes, most of the time. But I love it because every project is different. One day, I design a menu for a cafe. The next day, a poster for a concert.
That's so creative. Do you work in an office or from home?
We have a mix. 3 days in the office, 2 days from home. I like both. In the office, I talk to my colleagues. At home, I can drink coffee in pajamas.
Haha, pajamas at work. My dream.
What about you, Lily? What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I teach adults at a language school near the train station.
Perfect job for you. Do you teach children too?
No, only adults. My students come from many countries: Spain, Brazil, Japan, Turkey. I learned so much from them.
How many hours do you work?
Full time. Classes start at 9 in the morning and finish at 6 or 7 in the evening.
That's a long day. Do you get tired?
Sometimes, yes, especially on Friday. But when a student says, "Teacher, I understand," I feel happy and full of energy again. Do you wear special clothes for work, John?
No uniform, thank you. I wear jeans and a nice shirt. On office days, I try to look smart. But on home days, anything is okay.
I have to look a little professional. I usually wear trousers and a blouse. But on Fridays we have Casual Friday, so jeans are okay.
Casual Friday is the best day of the week.
What time do you usually start work?
At 9:30. I'm lucky. And you?
My first class is at 9, so I wake up early. I'm a morning person.
I'm not. I need 2 coffees before I can speak.
Do you have meetings at work?
Yes, every Monday, we have a team meeting. We talk about new projects and drink coffee. Sometimes the meeting is boring, but the coffee is free.
Free coffee is important. At my school, we have short meetings after classes. Teachers share ideas and help each other. John, do you like your boss?
Yes, she's very kind. She listens to our ideas.
What about your director?
My director is nice too. She always says thank you and remembers our birthdays.
Have you ever changed jobs?
Yes, once. Before this company, I worked in a bookshop. I loved books, but the salary was very low. So I studied design and changed.
Good decision. I also changed jobs. Before teaching, I worked in a hotel. I spoke English with guests every day, so my English became better.
That's a great way to learn.
Do you get holidays?
Yes, 25 days a year, plus public holidays. Teachers get more. Almost 2 months in summer. Lucky you! I'm a little jealous.
What is the best thing about your job, John?
Being creative and seeing my designs on real websites. It makes me proud.
For me, the best thing is when a student speaks English confidently for the first time. I feel so happy for them. And the worst thing?
Deadlines. When the client says, "Can you finish tomorrow?" And it's impossible.
For me, the worst thing is when students are very shy and don't want to speak. I want to help them feel comfortable. Do you want to change jobs one day?
Maybe open my own design studio. Work for myself. What about you?
I love teaching, but maybe one day write English books for children.
Okay, we talked a lot. Now let's look at the useful words and phrases we used.
First word, salary.
Salary. Please repeat. Salary.
It means the money you get every month for your job.
Example. My salary is okay, but I want a higher salary next year.
Second word, colleague.
Colleague. Repeat. Colleague.
A person you work with.
Example. My colleagues are friendly. We eat lunch together.
Third phrase, full-time.
Full-time. Repeat. Full-time.
It means you work the whole week, usually 40 hours.
Example. I work full-time as a nurse.
Fourth word, deadline.
Deadline. Repeat. Deadline.
The day or time you must finish work.
Example. I have a deadline tomorrow, so I'm working late.
Fifth phrase, work from home.
Work from home. Repeat. Work from home.
Do your job at home, not in the office.
Example. On Wednesdays, I work from home.
Sixth word, promotion.
Promotion. Repeat. Promotion.
When you get a better job with more money in the same company.
Example. My brother got a promotion last month.
Seventh phrase, casual Friday.
Casual Friday. Repeat. Casual Friday.
Friday when you can wear informal clothes.
Example. Tomorrow is casual Friday, so no tie.
Eighth word, overtime.
Overtime. Repeat. Overtime.
Extra hours you work.
Example. I worked overtime yesterday, and I'm tired today.
Great job, everyone.
Now, let's practice. I will ask some easy questions about jobs. Answer in your head, or say it out loud.
Question 1. What do you do?
Question 2. Do you work full-time or part-time?
Question 3. Do you work in an office or from home?
Question 4. What do you like about your job?
Question 5. Do you have nice colleagues?
Question 6. What time do you start work?
Perfect practice.
Now the question of the day. Lily, you start.
Everyone, please write in the comments. What do you do? Or if you are a student, what job do you want in the future?
For example, I am a graphic designer and I love being creative.
And I am an English teacher. My favorite part is helping students speak confidently.
We read every comment, and we are so happy to learn about your jobs. Just write one simple sentence. It's great practice.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are doing wonderful with your English.
Please give the video a like, subscribe, and click the bell for new lessons every week.
Share with a friend who is learning English too.
Next week we have another useful topic ready for you.
From both of us, keep practicing, keep smiling, and see you very soon.
Bye everyone.
Bye. Have a fantastic day.